Jennifer. I'm the owner and broker at Amazing Realty, and this is my Floor and Decor story. My Airbnb is a historically restored church, and it's located in Bartlett, Texas, along with a second Airbnb, which is also a restored historic bank. So I'm a real estate broker by trade, and I was looking for an old Victorian home to flip. So I discovered the town of Bartlett and stumbled across this little church, and the moment that I saw it, I knew that it had to be mine. So being a historic preservationist, it's extremely important to try and preserve as much of the original features in a building as we possibly can. We brought in original wooden piano and pews, and then we accented that with our modern floor and decor tiles because that contrast actually blends beautifully and gives it that modern, comfortable feel with the original features. As we started our restoration project and we had to take down some of the wood paneling, we found some original wallpaper from the 1890s, and it had gorgeous shades of blue, which became our inspiration for all of the tile and paint color choices throughout the church. Just around the corner is our historically restored Bartlett National Bank Airbnb as well. At the bank, we chose classic white subway tiles and white penny round tiles because those are what you would see back in the day, and that floor and decor tile was an inspiration for us to be able to keep that classic clean look in our historic building. For all of our historical renovation projects, we turn to Floor and Decor because of the wide selection and the design services. I knew I had very specific things that we needed to choose to be able to make this whole project come together and be cohesive. We used the blue subway tile on the wall in the feature of our first bathroom. We used it in the shower in our second bathroom. And then we used the penny tile as an accent in the shower and then carried that through into the kitchen as well. So everything throughout the property is cohesive and it matches and it just looks beautiful.